Hello traders, welcome back to today's review on Razor MT5 AA by Anton Kondratev from Russia. It's been on the MKL5 market since late 2022, currently sitting at version 8.88 and priced around 745 bucks with that limited copy thing going on, as you can see here. His next price is stated to be $1990. And before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. And let's start with what the developer actually says this EA does. According to the product page, Razor is a fully automated and open system with drawdown protection and a fixed stop loss. I make a point of saying it's not a simple grid, non-martingale, non-AI, and non-neural network with default settings for one chart, Australian dollars, Canadian dollars, M15, and it supports a faster one open OHLC mode for weak PCs, meaning if your PC is weak or has low capabilities, you can use the 1.0 HLC mode. The big claim is that it's a multi-currency strategy for the three pairs, as you can see here, Australian Canadian dollars, Australian New Zealand dollars, and New Zealand Canadian dollars, all running from that single chart. The algorithm is said to use market mean reversion, and it has a common stop loss for the basket, and it can add up to 6 additional trades during a drawdown. Let's see here. To try and increase your profits. There's a built-in FOMC and non-farm strong news filter, protection against slippage and large spreads, and something they call ABRT. You can see here. Any broker's condition in real time, that is the meaning of ABRT, that allows you to adapt to. That's adaptive broker real-time mechanism. So it supposedly adjusts to whatever conditions your broker is throwing at it. It also mention a market volatility filter for more accurate entries and special settings for prop firms and FTMO for MT5. Now we go over to his signals. The developer runs a live MPL5 signal on tick. Looking at the numbers that are publicly visible on the signal page, see it's been going on for a long time since 2022. That's around the 190 plus weeks. The latest trade 18 hours ago. You can see 2073% growth. Profit rate 73. Maximum drawdown 22. Initial deposit 550 with profit of $22. I see he has made withdrawals of $65.72. Now we see average holding time 2 days. And the pairs commonly traded, you can see here, Australian Canadian dollar, New Zealand Canadian dollar, Australian New Zealand dollar. You can see everything on the signal. Let's move back. Now that's the developer story in a nutshell. Mean reversion multi-pair scalper. I can scale into a limited number of extra positions when needed, with fixed stop loss protection and news filtering, marketed as reliable enough for long-term use and prop firm friendly. Now, alright, let's talk about what I actually saw in the backtest when I ran it myself. On Australian Canadian dollar, on the M15 time frame. As you can see, 10k deposits, 1 is to 100 leverage, and time period of 1 year from August 2025 to August 2026. I got a net profit of $15.88, profit factor of 1.05, recovery factor of 0.19, and a profit trade percent of 83.54. Although the numbers on my profit trade and loss trades are not looking appealing, with my largest profit trade 6.37, 5 times below my loss trade. For largest loss trade, that's 1.74. Same thing for average profit trade of 4.77 and average loss trade of 22.99. Now we have a balance drawdown of 0.81 and 0.83 for equity drawdown. A bit manageable, a bit okay drawdowns. Moving over to the equity curve, see it starts near the initial balance, dips a bit early on, then grinds higher in a series of small steps with frequent little pullbacks. There's a clear upward stretch in the first few months of 2026, as you can see here on the chart. Peaked somewhere around the 10,090 area, then drew sideways to slightly lower. It's more chop towards the end of the test period. Our deposit load stays very low the whole time, and these little green bars never get aggressive. Comparing that to the developer's claim and the live signal, live account has clearly compounded and withdrawn a lot more over several years, while this particular 1 year window on default style settings basically treaded water with a tiny net gain and very tight drawdown. Honestly, the thing is, this is a mean classic reversion setup that leans on the correlation of those three commodity pairs. In ranging or mildly trending conditions, you can keep stacking small wins. And when the triangle starts moving hard in one direction, those extra trades kick in. And the floating loss can sit there for a while, even with the fixed stop. Now we have perform settings available, but the recovery numbers and the occasional larger loss clusters mean a bad stretch can still pressure a challenge account. You can see another result, 500 initial deposit, 2.6 million. Net profits, a bit exaggerated in my opinion. Coffee factor of 4.31, which didn't match what we got in my backtest. Now traders already understand limited grade mean reversion system, have a tight spread ECM broker and a VPS, and are willing to treat this EA as something that needs monitoring rather than pure set and forget, and actually find this EA useful. If you are brand new, hate any form of averaging, or need very smooth equity, this EA probably isn't the one for you. Note that results are based on historical performance only. Past numbers don't guarantee future ones. And that's the breakdown, folks. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more EA reviews, and drop a comment telling me which robots you want me to test next. And don't forget to grab that free MT4 MT5 robot with the built-in indicators and candlestick patterns using the link in the description below. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and as always, I'll see you in the next video.